The average American family uses 1,500 plastic bags every year. Only 1% of plastic bags are returned for recycling. 100,000 marine animals are killed by plastic bags every year. And 1 in 3 leatherback sea turtles have been found with plastic in their stomachs. Hey big dreamers, Katie Rhines, your registered dietitian, is here with my good friend Andy. We're going to be turning those old t-shirts into super cute little produce bags to use when you go grocery shopping. Andy actually works at Global Green, which is an awesome environmental nonprofit that helps with really sustainable environmental projects. And I'm curious, Andy, tell us more about you and what you do. What is Global Green?
I have a background in environmental engineering, and I've been working at Global Green for almost a year now. I specifically work on a couple programs. One is to help people rebuild their homes after they lost it to fire in a fire resilient and green way. And I also work on a program where we have eco-ambassadors who kind of get the word out about what is compostable, what's recyclable, and what's not, so we can limit the contamination that we have in our waste streams.
That's so cool. Earth Day is coming up, so let's definitely do what we can to reduce, reuse, and recycle. Get those t-shirts out of your closet and let's make some bags.
These t-shirts are 100% cotton, and a lot of times when you buy reusable bags, they have plastic in them as well. And a huge contributor to plastic in the ocean is actually when you wash your clothes that have different derivatives of plastic in them.
The microplastics.
Yeah, the microplastics get into our water stream and into our ocean. So cotton, 100% cotton is the way to go.
So Andy, what do we need to get started?
It's so easy. Really, all you need is some old cotton t-shirts that you don't like to wear anymore and a pair of scissors. That's
Sweet.
it. First, you want to turn your shirt inside out. Next step is you cut about 1/2-inch strips along the bottom edge across the entire shirt. The third step is that you tie the 2 sides of the shirt, the front and the back strip, together tightly. I always double knot it. And after you've gone across the whole shirt, you can flip the shirt back right side in, right side out, right side out. You're going to lay the shirt again flat on the table and cut the top of the shirt in a way that'll be like handles for your produce bag.
Now it's up to you. You gotta go do it. I challenge you. There's a Facebook group called Superhero Crew, and I invite you to go join that Facebook group and take a photo of the old t-shirt that you reused as a shopping bag. Take a photo of yourself using it and let's connect. Tag on Instagram, tag me at vitamin.katie, tag Andy at Sun and Sprout. You should hit up Andy. I'll leave all the links down below. Be sure to subscribe to this channel and hit the little bell so that you get notified for all of these videos and future superhero stuff going on.
Yeah, everyone's got extra t-shirts, so let's use them.
Yeah.
Let's bring them to the store, reduce plastic, and get some produce.
Yeah, let's go get some produce.
Eat those veggies.
Yeah. And that's another really important way to help the environment. Andy and I are both definitely plant-based individuals. We eat lots of plants. Really great way to help the environment and reduce harm. Let me know what questions you have. Comment below. Give it a thumbs up. And we'll see you next time. Bye. All right, let's test out these bags, see how they work. Do they work, Evan? What do you got in there?
Oh, a papaya.
A whole papaya.
$300, everybody.
An entire honeydew melon.
Wow.
Can we fit the cocoa yoga?
Cocoa yoga.
Coconut yogurt. Who made that?
Homemade.
Where can I get that?
Stylish.
Andy makes the best
Oh.
homemade coconut yogurt. And yeah, this is super stylish. It goes with my outfit.